बूंद बूंद से समंदर बनेगा, ईंट ईंट से महल बनेगा। बूंद बूंद से समंदर बनेगा, ईंट ईंट से महल बनेगा, मजबूत इरादों से मुकाम मिलेगा। और आज इस प्रताप सिंह की वजह से वो मुकाम पाने का जुनून मिलेगा। A very aromatic morning to ladies and gentlemen. This is Pratap Singh Rajput, the small part of National Institute of Foreign Language present here. Today I am here to manipulate your mind from failure to success, from impossible to possible, and from negative to positive. But before going further, how can I forget to say thanks to the God of NIFL, to the faculty of NIFL, Mr. Pradeep Agrawal. Because of him today I am able to speak in front of you, and because of him I can speak in front of thousands of people in this world. So guys, today I will complete my performance in the two bases. First, what do you mean by a motivation? The second, how can you convert your burning desire into a physical change, a physical shape? What do you mean the motivation? Everyone, those are sitting here, have a different meaning of motivation. Somebody said it's a cooling air, somebody said it's a angerness, somebody said a different thing. But I have a different meaning of motivation. Motivation is a greediness, lalach. Motivation is a power to hypnotize your mind. Those are sitting here, including me, we are greedy. Everyone in this city, Gwalior, including the NIFL, everyone greedy. Everyone in this world, including the India, is greedy, and everyone in this universe, including the earth, is greedy, because whatever we want to achieve, whatever we want to get, we should have a greediness behind it. Whatever we want to get, something like somebody wants a money, somebody wants a medal, somebody wants her mobile number, his ID, somebody money, compliment, everything. We should have a greediness behind it. Our parents always says that child never becomes selfish or greedy. Why? Because I am saying that you have to become greedy because you always try to find the greediness behind the motivation in the result of your goal. Let me tell you with the example, the terrorist can kill himself as a suicide bomber in the public very easily. How? Can you kill yourself? Can you? Can I? Nobody can kill himself in the public as a suicide bomber. But because of the motivation, they can kill everyone because of the strong desire. Whenever we used to go in the temples, we follow the instructions of the priest. Why? They give the instruction, offer the 11 coconut. They give the instruction, sleep in that direction. They give the instruction, just paint your house by the cow dung. Why? Because there is a sum, we want to fulfill our goals, we want to fulfill our wish, and there is some greediness behind it. That's called the motivation. Now, how can you convert your burning desire into a physical shape? If you have a burning desire, you should have a faith, dedication, and the persistence behind it. Nobody can understand the persistence and dedication and faith in the burning desire. Let me tell you with example. Suppose you want to eat a matar paneer right now. You want to eat a matar paneer at your home. So thinking about the matar paneer is a burning desire. You go to the kitchen, you cut the onions, then when you cut the onions, tears comes. You put the vegetables in the oil, it hurts you in the hot oil. That still you are making the gravy. That's called the dedication. You are still continuing the making of that gravy for the 1 hour. It's called the persistence. And if this all effort, it's called a faith. And after the recipe, after the dish is ready, when you taste it, this is a taste of success. This is a taste of success, because if you have a burning desire, you have a faith, dedication, persistence, then you can achieve any goal in this world. Any goal. The Thomas Edison, very famous inventor of the electric bulb, he failed 4,999 times in his life. But still, at the 5,000th time, he invented the electric bulb. How? Because of burning desire. Behind burning desire, he have a dedication, faith, and persistence, and everyone can, those are sitting here, everyone in this world, everyone, including me, can achieve anything. रख हौसला, वो मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चलकर समंदर भी आएगा. रख हौसला, वो मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चलकर समंदर भी आएगा. थोड़ी तो हिम्मत रख प्यारे, थोड़ी तो हिम्मत रख प्यारे, वो मंजिल ही मिलेगी और जीने का मजा भी आएगा। थैंक यू सो मच।